Welcome, Ohio. Our adventure starts here. Hi everyone, we are here spending the night at our friend's house. And we had a long day today. We went to see the big boy. So we are spending the night and he got a beautiful backyard. And we're just chilling and visiting. So enjoy the rest. He got a beautiful sunroom and I love the flag. Nice. So guys, let's go inside because I can feel the little mosquito is kissing my skin. So anyway, we will be just hanging out here at the sun porch, and our friend is preparing dinner for his guest. It's nice. So tomorrow morning we'll have a good ride and see you in the morning.
Stuff I do in my life, one thing that makes me smile is talking about this.
Oh yeah. It's the same thing with me.
That's our friend Jeff, our riding buddy. So guys, enjoy the rest of our ride and adventure today. We are checking this little town. I never heard about the name Zor, but we're swinging by. It looks like a cool little town named Zor. There is an history about it. It's kind of like a lot of the Germans moved here. And you can see their little buildings and some decorations, but we didn't explore much of the town, but we just swing by and take a little look.
Every mile together is a memory made as long as we're riding.
Welcome to Zor, America's most successful communal settlement, 1819 and to 1898. So that's a long history. But we just swinging by and keep riding. So hang in there and we will be in another town and another beauty of nature. Enjoy the ride.
Wherever the road goes, that's where I'll be. Still chasing horizons with you next to me. The story keeps rolling
with every sunrise, and the best part of the journey is looking in your eyes. Wherever the road goes, through sunshine or rain.
Oh, look at that forest looking. It's a yes.
I already know.
Oh my God, look at that. There.
It's over here, Marvin.
I saw it too. On this side.
spot to take one.
It's a nice place. Beautiful, beautiful found. You wanna
Hard
go?
time getting off there?
No, I kicked it.
Nice, huh?
I should have stopped over there where that hot girl was.
Pretty decent.
Did you tell right away?
Magmuni-muni lang ka
that you were
dito. It's
okay with it?
beautiful.
I don't know how you can know, like, what. Yeah. Actually, I think she's right there.
You know my taste.
It doesn't take but about a millisecond. As soon as I go by,
Yeah. Are we allowed to climb up here? Oh my god! It's kind of deep. It's kind of deep. Can see anything. It's deep. It's kind of deep. It's kind of deep. Oh.
Morning sun is rising slow. Chrome and memories start to glow. Side by side we roll. Chasing dreams.
I mean, we've already been on the road for about 3 hours, 3 or 4 hours.
We've got blue skies passing.
Taking a break here. I'm not little close.
And your hand in mine. No map can tell us what tomorrow will bring, but every turn feels right with you beside me. Wherever the road goes, through sunshine or rain, every mile together is a memory made. As long as we're riding, our hearts will be free. Wherever the road goes, that's home to me. Small town diners, lakes at dusk, Harley echoes roads we trust. Every sunset paints the sky, another reason why.
We've seen seasons come and go, still there's so much left to know. Every journey starts anew, and I still choose you.
Thank you guys for riding with us. If you like what you just saw, hit the subscribe button for more videos, and I will see you on my next vlog. Hope you enjoy the ride. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Wild and free, wherever the road goes, that's where we'll be. Welcome to have me once in